Welcome to Studio Video, folks. I'm your friendly host, James Thomas. This is where I typically introduce you to fashion models and photographers. I demonstrate how I draw their charcoal portraits and hopefully set some dope art on your walls. I want to say a big thank you to you viewers for sending in all these commissions. I have a lot of good stuff coming out. I also have a lot of good models and photographers lined up, so stay tuned for future episodes. All right, folks, let me ask you a question. Do you or have you ever had a mom? Now, if you answered yes, prove it. Follow the link up here to get you started on getting her a one-of-a-kind portrait. Like and subscribe for more continual content, and remember, every 50th subscriber will receive a free portrait here on this channel. Today, I'm going to be showing you my most recent commission, which is a Mother's Day / birthday gift. And viewers, what better way to show the love than one of these unique charcoal portraits? Here's our model, Kara. I love this photo. It's perfect for what I do. It shows the right amount of shadow and highlight across her face. And I have a lot of fun riffing around with the charcoal marks with the curly hair. I'm excited for this one, so sit back and enjoy. Here's Kara, folks. It looks so good. Her husband, Adam, who reached out to me, is going to love it when he gets it in the mail. I can't wait to find out her reaction as well. Guys, I have a feeling this is going to have a long life hanging up on their walls at home. Viewers, let me know what you think in the comments below. Please like and subscribe for more continual content, and until next time, sketch you later.